My dear viewers, my greetings and also my wishes to all of you watching my videos, Jacintha's spoken English videos. We have seen some videos about subject, verbs and objects. So, these three items always play a very major role. They play a very major role in our day-to-day dialogue. When we want to add some more matter, we should know about adjectives and adverbs. Adjectives and adverbs will always enrich the language more and more, more and more. So, when I told about phrases, even this is a simple phrase. We say more and more. I learnt more and more. I studied more and more. She worked more and more. He is earning more and more. All these are also phrases, no? Which are very commonly used and which people know the meaning also. I have already said that when we talk, we should understand the correct usage of every word, and also the listener must also be able to understand. Otherwise, we can have a lot of words taken from the dictionary. There are many classical words. We say classical language, Shakespearean language, which are not commonly used in our day-to-day dialogue. The modern language, modern English doesn't have such words like classical language words or Shakespearean words and all, because only learned people will understand. So, in that way we can use ordinary words. Suppose a friend is entering our house and we are in the garden, we just say about the things we see around us. Green leaves are there, fresh leaves are there, colorful flowers are beautifying the garden. Then there are weeds growing in the garden. I had already told the gardener to remove the weeds. Simple things are enough to take away the weeds. Why? Then only then the other good plants will be growing well. They will be giving lot of flowers and fruits. Only when the weeds, unwanted plants are removed and more water is poured in and good manure is also given. So, manure also should be given to the plants. The plants should be well watered and there should be good air and bright sunlight also should fall upon the trees and plants. Then only they can grow well. We can always enjoy the colorful flowers and also the sweet fruits and the beautiful leaves, fresh leaves we can admire when we are in the garden. Maybe there may be ants, there may be white ants even spoiling the plants, spoiling the leaves. There may be some insects also seen in between the leaves. So, we should remove all that and enrich the garden. So, these simple words are needed when we talk with our friends in our home, at our home, in front of our house. So, dear viewers, try to learn more and more words and try to learn the grammatical rules to place them properly and correctly. Bye for today.